What's going on YouTube? Welcome to the channel. It's Mitchy Boy here, and today I want to show you guys how to get paid via Amazon Seller Central if you have a bank account that is not in a supported country by Amazon. So what you want to do is you want to first come to a website called Payoneer. I'll actually leave a link in the description. And if you sign up with this link, you'll get a free $25 once you've deposited over $1,000, and so will I. I'll also get a free $25. So you sign up, you put your bank details in so you can transfer it from Payoneer to your bank account. You put a form of ID like a driver's license, your name, address I think, and maybe your mobile phone number. And then once you've signed up, you go to receive in your Payoneer account, and then you go to what's it called? You go to Global Payment Service, I think it's called, and that'll take you to your bank account, which should be in US dollars. It has your bank number, it has your name, it has the bank name, and it has everything you need. So once you've got your bank details, you want to come to Amazon, and you want to go to your settings in your Amazon Seller Central account. You want to go to deposit methods, click on that. That should be under payment information, and then the next thing that you want to do is you just want to copy and paste your bank details from Payoneer. Select bank location as United States, obviously. Account holder's name will be your name, 9-digit routing number, bank account number. So that's pretty much it. Once you've done that, you should be able to receive your payments. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys later.